Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A woodworking journey. Today we are currently continuing the challenge of making $500 as fast as I can. From woodworking here. I have my own little woodworking business in Alberta, but we're still at $0, but it's day 5 and we're getting really close to getting some stuff ready to sell. I'm just finishing them up with the epoxy and stuff right now and doing some painting. But anyways, thanks for watching. What I've been getting up to so far today. I did in the challenge, sorry. So the reason I'm doing the $500 challenge is just to challenge myself, I guess, and I don't know, make myself work a little harder, hopefully get it done. My goal is 10 days to get done the challenge. and I'm pretty sure we're on track for that. But yeah, again, my goal is just to challenge myself. The $500, I want to put it back into the business, keep the business growing. That's the main reason. I want this business to thrive. Last month was a pretty good month. I did have quite a few sales after the first $1,000 challenge. So I got, last month I did reach $900 for the business. So that's pretty good. This month I'm hoping to get it higher. Over 1,000 hopefully, but that's why I'm more trying to do these challenges. And with me doing the daily videos, or try to do daily videos, that keeps me working in the shop more and getting more work done. That's part of the reason I do the daily videos, is for that reason. But anyways, so far in the challenge, what we've been doing is we built 5 trapezoid tables. I'm just about finishing up the epoxy, but those are all the things that I've been epoxying are for those tables. And if you look back in the videos, I have been building the trapezoid legs for those. 3 of those trapezoid tables are for a custom order that I'm for a lady, and then 2 of them I'm just gonna try to sell. The rest of the stuff here, I do have one more custom order, but I'm gonna start that a little bit later. They don't need it right away. But the rest of the stuff is just for me just to try to sell. So what I've been working on also is 2 other smaller tables. That's why I built these legs here. I still have to finish them up, but those are for that. And then we also have, I just pulled these out of the bush earlier in the video off of some previously cut stuff. And these are really nice and big pieces. So I'm hoping those will make a pretty decent side tables. And that's why I was planing these previously milled lumber from my yard. I made this just using table saw and bandsaw. And I'm going to try to make out of trees from our yard, but I'm going to make some more table legs for those 2 things. Also, we are going to put wood filler and start other projects. Okay, everyone, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. We also, at the end there, what we did was we just had put some wood filler on those other legs, and we cut and built the starts of the legs for these. These right here. So we're still at $0. We're gonna continue working with these tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and thanks for watching. See ya.